In this video, I will give you an A to Z plan and breakdown of how to get to $1 million a month as a developer. Maybe it sounds like clickbait or downright crazy, but based on real world results, I'll share with you the starting point, the midpoint, and finally, what allows you to scale to $1 million a month. Furthermore, this is a realistic plan for people who actually want to put in the work. This isn't a get rich thing or something like that. Why am I qualified to talk about this? Well, I've helped build over a dozen seven-figure businesses, and I've been doing this for 15 years. Join my over 34,000 person community and click the subscribe and bell notification icons to keep getting updates on this, and let's get started. So step one is the freelance stage. This is the least scalable stage because it requires you to sell your time, which is not ideal long-term. However, this is the step with the lowest risk and the quickest start. It's designed to get you out of your job so you can do this full-time and go to the next steps. It comes down to creating an Upwork account and getting projects within your field of expertise as a developer, preferably using your existing stack so you don't have to re-educate yourself too much. So get on Upwork, put all your proof from past projects on there, and start sending 15 proposals 7 days a week, 365 days a year. That and a properly written profile and proposal should get you enough projects to quit your job. For proper guides on how to do this, check out the YouTube links in the description. Then let's talk about step two. This is where it starts getting interesting. This step is turning this operation into an agency. This means instead of selling your time, you get staff or freelancers who deliver projects for you. This is all about keeping the profit margin above 50% at this stage. You'll end up hiring a project manager once you're tired of doing that part yourself. Once you have more than 4 projects concurrently, you can afford a project manager. In terms of sales process, you'll do that yourself all the way to $80,000 per month. So sales, you're gonna have to do it yourself until you're making enough money to hire a salesperson, you have enough leads. After you hand off almost all parts of the process to staff, you'll have time to start thinking about really scaling the agency and what to do beyond. I generally don't recommend scaling the agency past $150,000 per month with a 50% profit margin. Step 3 is where you can scale past $150,000 per month. But at this stage, you might want to start transitioning to a more scalable business model, which would be software as a service. Basically, you spend some of those agency man hours and profits testing 2 SaaS offers per week using ads. Once you see success with some ideas, only then do you make a choice to build a prototype and start selling. That means you don't build anything up front. This is the mistake people make. They build software that no one ever uses. Instead, you need to market the software and then build it. This can get you to $1 million a month since it's a lot more scalable than an agency. However, if you try SaaS on day one without building the agency first, you won't have the 6-figure investment necessary to build and market. So it's pretty much useless to try that in most situations. Next up, let's take a few steps back and talk about lead generation. Click the video links in the description to proceed.